Alright, so today I'm bringing you a video about my Glinda Crown that I already made. And if you follow me on Instagram or TikTok, you probably already saw it. But making this crown really has been a journey, and you'll see exactly why now. So the first thing that I needed to do was I needed to create a template to make this crown based off. So I took some of my reference images and I made a 3D file on Blender to recreate the curvature of the crown, because it's not really like a cylinder or a cone, it's like a sort of in-between shape. So I did that on Blender. I flattened the shape and then I drew all these circles out of the bubbles, and this is the template I came up with. A few of you that follow me on Instagram and TikTok asked me for this template, so I'm gonna leave it like here. There's a link down below for the template if you need it, if you want to get it. I'm pretty sure that it's not 100% accurate because I didn't have many pictures of the back, but it worked fine. And yeah, I love my crown, so if you want it, it's down here. So I was a woman with a plan, and I decided I would make my crown out of wire, and for that I got a bunch of aluminum wire and I researched on if I could solder it or not. I understood that I could, so I went all in. I spent a really long time making these tiny hoops that I could use to make my crown, and I spent this eternity soldering the pieces together and thinking, wow, this is going great, this is gonna be amazing. And then I picked it up and it completely fell apart. I got sad for an hour or two, but then I picked up the pieces, stored them away, and I made a new plan. So I thought, well, this is just a base for me to glue the crystals on. I can really do it in whatever material I want. And I had some plastic sheets laying around. I believe it was the cover of an old notebook that I had. So I put that plastic sheet on my plotter and I cut out the template. Once I have the plastic base for my crown, I sewed it onto a large hoop with wire so it would have some structure on my head and wouldn't be all floppy around. And I started gluing the crystals. Leopard Strass was so kind to send me all these amazing crystals. So after over 3,000 crystals applied and a ton of E6000 glue, this is what I have. Isn't she so sparkly? I love her so much. I love it. What I love the most about this technique is that she's still pretty flexible, so if it falls on the floor it won't break, it will just bend and go back into place, as you can see. And it's very lightweight, like the weight is only the weight of the crystals, which is not a lot because they're pretty small, even though there's a lot of them. And yeah, she's so shiny. She's even shinier in person, I swear to God. So quick update, we already have a hoop skirt and a crown done, so it's getting there. I also have been working on the bodice a lot and on the skirt petals. They are all hemmed, but I'll get more into it on the next video so you can see the full process. I did a cos test already and I loved seeing myself as Glinda. I'm so excited to keep working on this. But yeah, I hope you guys like this video. I know it's a little late and I'm so sorry about it, but I'm still getting used to working and recording everything that I'm doing. So yeah, I hope you guys liked it. I'm so excited and I hope to see you next time. Bye!